Hi, this is Cheryl back with you from Farmhouse, Frugally, and today I have quite a surprise, an entire cart full.
I'll show you a clip of the Goodwill bins today, which is not as crazy as usual. It is early, so we got there at probably 8:15, and they had a lot of junk. Most of it is junk. I wore gloves this time, and you really have to dig through the crap.
I never seem to stay long enough for them to switch out the bins, but I do think that it pays to show up early. This is early for us.
And every time you're digging through the crap, you're saying to yourself, is there anything here worth getting?
I did not get this bag of pumpkins simply because I do not need any more, but that actually would have been a very good deal since they don't weigh much. I did get some little people and the little truck and that little squirrel for my granddaughter because she already has the game that goes with that. I did not get the nutcracker, not my thing.
So I'll throw something in my bin and I'll throw it in my bin and I'll throw it in my bin and then I'll say afterwards, only if it's lightweight, because I'm paying for this stuff by the pound and you know my dump, I can get so much stuff for free. I only want it if I have a recreation idea or if it really doesn't weigh much of anything. Because I had a whole cart full this time and I thought, okay, this is gonna be 50 bucks. Am I crazy? Am I gonna waste 50 bucks on this stuff that I don't need? But I kind of had fun, and actually wait till you see what I paid for it, because it wasn't 50 bucks and I got a ton. So I'm going to insert the willow tree first.
I will show you it in my dining room, but to be honest, it is very unlikely that it will stay here in the form that it is. It is just the kind of item that I would take apart and use those pip berries over time because I always need them, and I paid less than $2, I think, for this tree. So it's worth it to me.
What was the office is now going to be a spare bedroom, and so I am redoing my whole house. At the same time, we have gutted our bathroom because yes, we're crazy. And so it's been total chaos in my home over the Christmas break. And I am just trying to get things back in order. So I'm going to have some amazing videos for you coming up of the bathroom remodel, which is coming out beautiful, of a redo of my office, of a redo of the now will be guest bedroom. I'll probably never get to my craft room, so don't plan on seeing that. That's always a mess. So that's why I'm in my dining room showing you the video today of the things that I got at the bins. So it was fun, and it was a whole lot of dirty junk, and you definitely want to wear the gloves. But I'll tell you what, I got some really great things to get the creative juices going, and I can't wait to style some of this stuff. So some of it is just junk I needed. I had purchased a whole bunch of canning jars, and I got the lid, but I never got the rings, and these were brand new. So I will just run these through the dishwasher and either use them for canning or I'll use them for crafts. But either way, they don't weigh anything, so pretty much free. I did get a set of 2 small ironstone platters and styled those with some of the larger ones that I have in my dining room.
These are just stacked right now. I will find a better way to display them.
It was one of the more expensive things that I got. Oh my God, I can't even with this little ice skate. I could not find the second one if there was a second one. But how cute is this going to be decorated for Christmas next year? Awesome. Same note, I got a rubber baby shoe, so I can't wait to grunge that up and do something with that. Cute, cute vintage tin. Just a little tin that you keep things in. Again, doesn't weigh anything, just a couple of cents.
No need to do anything to it. I am just going to display it right here. I love the way it looks next to my ironstone pitcher and my clock.
Colored thread that is in it. So maybe I'll cross stitch. More than likely I'll use it for something else. A bag of tiny candles. Oh, I may bundle these. I may twist some wire and put them on something else, put them in a basket, who knows? So that's a great item. Again, doesn't weigh anything. This my daughter found for me. Oh my gosh, this pair of ice skates that are a Christmas ornament I love. They actually have metal and they're made out of solid wood. So how cute is that?
Since it is still winter, I am going to leave them here on my grandfather clock. I love them here. They are really adorable.
Little reindeer that says peace and has some stuff on the bottom. I'll probably take that off and use the reindeer in a display. This little sign I think is very cute, and I'll show you how I style that.
It says, "Together they built a life they loved." Looks really nice on my tiered tray. Yes, I am clearly a maximalist.
I got a red velvet ribbon spool. Again, doesn't weigh anything. I got 5 of these. How cute is this? They're napkin rings and they're made out of a woven basket. There probably was a 6th one. I could not find it, so I got 5 and already have an idea for next year. More Christmas related than actually as a napkin ring, because you know, that's how my brain thinks.
And why wait until next Christmas to do this? I will do this right now. So I grabbed out a piece of pillowcase trim with the lace still on it and put that around one of them and popped the bottle brush tree that I also got today into it, and it is already done, at least one of them. And I will come up with other ideas, no doubt, but I thought that that looked very sweet on my hutch since I still have some Christmas items up.
This had a little Christmas light stuck up in it with a whole long cord that I had no interest in, so I just popped all that off. Didn't want to pay for the extra because how cute is this little lantern? Oh, I got a little silly thing for my son. He's 36 and he used to love this Dinotopia, and they had like these playing cards or something, so I'm gonna put that next year in his stocking just for funsies. Then I got a cute little gingerbread starman. This had an ugly metal butterfly. Pop that thing off and now I have a great bed spring to use for a craft. This is a piece of driftwood sign with the wire already on it. Scituate, I think it's a town in Massachusetts near me. I can paint over that and make something cute, primitive, or coastal out of that. How cute, doesn't weigh a thing. Got my husband a little cat ornament. He loves cats. Got a little Christmas ornament. Got a bottle brush tree. Oh, didn't see too many bottle brush trees given that there were quite a few Christmas items, lots of Christmas items actually. This doesn't weigh anything. So far I've spent next to nothing. This stuff is so lightweight. It was just a ton of primitive country stuff. Somebody was getting rid of all their prims. And so this one is a star and a Christmas tree. You know, it has the wire. I'll probably reuse each of these later in the future. Didn't weigh much of anything at all. Wonderful primitive country candle ring. Definitely use that.
These are great to have for primitive thrift flips, so I will keep that. But for now, I just put it in this enamel bowl with a candle, and that looks really sweet.
And a little primitive Americana pillow made out of burlap. I don't know what this is. If you know what this is, let me know. But it is a little grungy thing for the kitchen, I think. And I got, I thought I got 3, but maybe only 2 cookie cutters. Look at how cute this one is. This one's definitely more vintage, definitely good quality, will work really good with clay. And I got a little rooster or chicken or hen or whatever. So I thought those were really cute. And look at this. How wonderful is this sifter? So awesome. Again, this stuff doesn't weigh anything. Somebody had put together this little thank you gift, which is a tea towel and a spoon. I plan on tea dyeing the tea towel and using the fabric. So this to me was well worth, you know, the few, maybe 50 cents I paid for it by weight. So that was the bulk of the smalls. I probably have a couple more small items. Smalls actually. This little garland of hearts, so cute. Has little wooden pieces in between with some berries, definitely needs untangling. A little I love you and a heart stamp with some red ink, should come in handy to do something for Valentine's. Adorable little snowshoe ornaments. And I love this little sign with the metal. I will definitely paint over that and do something different or decoupage or something in the future. And 2 of these little doilies in great shape. None of this weighs much of anything.
I just put those over here right now just to display them while I'm speaking.
Then I got this, still brand new, be perfect for a spring decor coming soon, hopefully. For that, doesn't weigh anything. And so then some of the larger items, this little angel sign, so cute. More than likely, I'll be taking the angels off and using this for 6 different things. 3 angels, 3 signs. Also have some wire for a future project. Great frame, cute, white, wooden frame. So just change that out, boom, done. This one is a little heavy, so this one I paid for. This amazing clamp has the guy's initials, HWR. Whoever you are, HWR, thank you. I love this little wooden clamp. Love it. So cool, very lightweight. And I have a lot of antique tools. I know I'm crazy. I got this one not too long ago at my dump for free. Somebody had dropped off a bunch of tools, mostly newer tools that I didn't want, but this was in the toolbox. Snatch that right up because I love it. Don't know what I'm gonna do with it. Sitting on my little chair rail. All right, then I got this. Normally I wouldn't buy these or even take these, but sometimes I need these extra pegs. But I just like the rounded, older feel of this. There was another square one, kind of just your typical, but I kind of like the color and the, I don't know, I'll probably change the color anyways, but I just kind of like this one here. It's a little bit heavy, so I probably paid a little bit for that. I've always wanted one of these. Never have I found one, and I used to own a primitive country shop. So this, very lightweight, but awesome. So glad that I found that.
I decided that I am going to just take a piece of homespun and clip off the little red yarn. I am going to add some twine hanger, and I'm just going to add that homespun bow to the top of it after I cleaned it up really good. And there it is, hanging off my little antique desk.
Look at this picture frame. Oval. Yeah, it doesn't have a back, it doesn't have anything else, but it's in really nice shape. I think it's tiger wood or tiger maple. Very beautiful. Love the shape. Very lightweight. 2 of these frames. $5.99 on the back. So they already tried to sell it for $5.99. Can you see it without the glare? The frame. I don't love the artwork. If you like the artwork, let me know. I'll try to take it out nicely and give it to you. But this one is so pretty. Same thing, same frame. They still have their, you know, nobody's hung them. They're still brand new. This one. So the 2 of these I think are gonna go in my new office. Stay tuned for how that comes out. I obviously paid a little bit for them because they're a little bit heavy. And then the largest item is a bit heavy. How cute is this little cubby? Actually, it's not very heavy. In fact, I think she gave it to me for $2. So that is my haul. I almost forgot one more thing. I bought sight unseen. It was just a box and it said reindeer on it, and I grabbed it because it didn't weigh much of anything, and I took it home, and now I just opened it, and there are 6 reindeer, glittery silver. I don't know, you can probably see them. And I'm a silver girl. I prefer silver to gold, so for me this is just perfect.
And right in front of me on this table, I still have my New Year's display all set up with a whole lot of silver and bling, which I don't normally do. But I thought that they looked perfect in this little display, so they'll stay here for another couple weeks.
I think I paid for all that. Remember, I got the big cubby. I got 3 frames. I got 1 shelf. If you add up what you would pay for this stuff at a thrift store even, 1 gorgeous frame, the sock stretcher or sock drying rack, the tool, the beautiful tool, and all those smalls, as well as 2 pieces of ironstone, and I'm pretty sure that's everything. $28. $28. That to me is pretty remarkable.
And actually, it was less than 24 because there was a dollhouse and a couple little doll toys that I forgot to take out.
Yes, the Goodwill bins is filthy. Yes, it is a lot of digging. I have to say we were there well over an hour, and it is a little bit of work, but for $28, I'll tell you what, I would have paid $28 for 3 items. This is $12 to $16 all day long. This is probably $15 all day long. Just between the 2 of these, I probably would have paid $28. You throw this in a thrift store, you've already spent $28. Everything else is free. Girl math, I know, but still, awesome. So, let me know what you think.
Make sure you are subscribed for all of the upcoming awesomeness. And I thank you so much for stopping by. I will see you in the next one. Take care.